Hey Greg, Buckeye Freight Railing. I'm stopped in Carlisle to check the signals, then I'm going to head up to Miamisburg. But guess what? First we got a train coming. I see him right now, down that way. So anyway, stay tuned. We got something kind of special coming up on NS 171 here in a little while. I'll try to get that in Miamisburg so you can see that. Stay tuned. Thanks, guys. Here he is, CEFX. Good way to start off. Nice manifest. Hey, couldn't understand what the symbol number was. If I had to guess, I'd say it was 560 going to Detroit. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, guys, got 171 coming down. My good friend Simon ZMD Productions let me know this morning that this guy had 5 heritage units on the front. 3 of them CEFX, but we got the Virginian and Maine and Quebec, Central Maine and Quebec. Here he comes. Was that cool or what? Obviously, this is a Norfolk Southern line here. This is still Miamisburg. Down here's the CSX line, and I think we might have a CSX coming. Will we have a meet? Nothing on the CSX line yet. Oh man, I think I see the end of this train. I was really hoping we'd get a meet here. These are empty racks, by the way. Oh, look at this. Post center car on the tail end. Empty though. "12 axles on those." All right, guys, what'd you think? That was a cool train. Love that Lashup in the front. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, we missed that meet by a minute. It's a minute later and CSX is coming. Not sure what it is. Couldn't hear the radio. Oh yeah. Loaded racks. Burlington Northern. I haven't seen that rack in a long time. It might be 204. All right, guys. Cool, cool, cool. Thanks for watching. All right, that's the Norfolk Southern track here. These two tracks used to go over to this power plant before it was decommissioned. So they used to switch over up there, and then they'd back down these tracks and go to the left and go across the road over there, go back into this power plant loaded with coal. Like I said, it's been decommissioned. These two tracks here aren't used anymore, but that's their main line up there. Of course, CSX is down under there. But I want to show you, kind of like Jawtooth does, but this track is rolled in October of 1929. Let's see if I can get, may not be able to see it. But 1929, and the same for that one right there. So that's some old rail, about 95 years old. Can't see who it was manufactured by, but pretty cool. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, got Norfolk Southern 170 coming east. Oh yeah, looky there. Guys, that makes the 6th heritage I've caught today. I've never done that before. He's not very long. Got a blue Fred. Again, that's Simon's EMD Productions up there. And that's 170 heading east, going into downtown Miamisburg about now. Crossing the Great Miami River about a quarter mile down there. I thank you for watching. All right, here's LO3, just worked Franklin, Ohio, and he's coming east. Excuse me. Running long hood forward, usually a lady engineer. Not this time. Wow, pulling 9 cars, that's bigger than normal. And look, Northwestern and a Sioux line, how about that? There's the end. There you go, they'll go up and work somewhere a little north of here, and then they'll come back. Thanks for watching. All right, got M351 coming around the corner there. You can see his headlights maybe bouncing off the rails. Mixed freight train. He's 498 axles long. And there he goes. All around that corner. He's heading to Queensgate Yard, Cincinnati, Ohio. Still in Miamisburg here, folks. Thanks for watching. All right, got I-141 coming down. He won't be very long. All right, again, that's I-141 heading to Jacksonville, Florida. Florida. Now, up here on the Norfolk Southern tracks you see up there, going to have one coming from the east direction. And he's about 6 miles up the track, so I'll be right back when he gets here. Thanks, guys. All right, got 179 coming down. He already gave a little horn salute before I got my camera fired up. He just worked a moraine yard. Gondolas, newbies. Oh look, Benson Quinn Company. Like a Burlington boxcar here. Burlington North. Northwestern, that's what that is. Oh, we got a DBU, some distributed power, pushing on through. Southern. That's cool. It said Timmy Lou on it. covered coil shields now. Long train. Right, there you go, guys. That's going to do it for me. I hope you enjoyed this. I know I sure did. Appreciate you watching. You like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do there. That's